Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Prachi here, and in today's video I'm going to eat gourmet burger from McDonald's. I have ordered McDonald's gourmet burger meal. So if you all don't know what gourmet burger means, I will give you the meaning here. So now you all know what gourmet burger is. I saw this video on BuzzFeed India and I thought I have to try it. So here I am trying it. So first I was going to order the McMaharaja chicken meal, but as you all know, it is also in the McDonald's menu, like normal McDonald's menu. So I tried ordering this one, new one, which isn't on McDonald's menu but is on your gourmet McDonald's menu, and it is chunky chipotle American chicken burger. So now I received my order like 15 minutes ago and now I'm going to have it. So let's open and see how it is. As Daisy Sue says, we have secured the bag. We have secured our bag. We are secured. We have secured our bag. Wow. Sure. We have 3 bags. One is the Coke, one has fries, and one has our gourmet burger. Let's open our burger first. They have given me burger in the BTS wala bag. Wow. And they have given me a ketchup, which I don't have, obviously. Chunky chipotle American burger chicken. So now I'm going to show you the gourmet chicken chunky chipotle American burger. You know, I had the piri piri spice mix at home, so I didn't order it because I don't eat only fries. It's bland. No one can beat McDonald's fries, but sometimes it's, it doesn't even have proper salt. Not complaining, I'm not complaining. I don't complain. Food is food. I love food. My mom makes better fries. Shout out to my mom. I have my cold drink, I have my burger. Wow. It feels like heaven. First, I'm going to take a sip of Coke. My mouth was dry. Let's take a look at our burger now. Such a huge burger. You all can see this burger. I'm not holding it in my hand, it's all falling. So it looks so yummy. Wow, I have to click a photo of it, but if I take out my camera right now, it will be very difficult to put it back. So I'm going to show it right here. It's so yummy. It has onions, lettuce, jalapenos, cheese, double chicken grilled patty, and I think it's cabbage, yeah, something purple colored, I don't know what it is, and it's looking so yummy, and I'm going to have it right now. So now I'm going to take a bite of this burger, what we call it, the taste test. I'm going to do it right now, the taste test. It's so tasty. It's so tasty. I loved it. I really loved this burger. It's spicy. It's a lot spicy, and I love spicy food. Everyone who knows me knows I love spicy food. I don't eat sweet. I eat sweet rarely, but I love spicy food, and it's so tasty. It's spiciest burger I have ate from McDonald's till now. I loved it. I loved this burger. I'm going to order this now on. It's so tasty. It has two patties. The one below is spicy and the other one is the normal patty, I think, and both of them are grilled, not fried, and it's the tastiest and spiciest burger I have eaten from McDonald's. You have to try the gourmet burger, and the one I have ordered is the best one, I think, on the menu. I don't know, I haven't ate all the burgers, but I loved this one. I genuinely loved this one. Wow. I'm sorry I'm eating it in front of you, but I really loved this burger. If you haven't tried gourmet burger yet, you have to give this a try. It's worth it. It's really worth it. That was the reason I took the second bite instead of giving you the review. I hope you understand. This is what I was missing all these years. I'm so happy I tried it early from the rest of you. For now, I'm eating the fries as it is. Later on, I will add the piri piri masala. Now I'm just so tired. It's cold. Wow, this plate looks so yummy, right? Go and have something right now. Go and take a packet of chips or anything. Take healthy. I'm not a bad influence on you. McDonald's fries are classic, but it's just, it's just cold right now, and I'm not enjoying having it. This is what the other YouTubers say, but McDonald's fries are McDonald's fries, and whatever fries it is, I love having it, and I'm loving I'm loving it, but it's still cold, to be honest. I I loved my burger and now I'm going to have it. I'm not going to eat anymore in front of you. I know how it feels. I watch the food videos all day of the YouTubers. My favorite one is Daisy Sue and Sue. I don't know I'm pronouncing it right or wrong, but that's the one. And Viva Food World from India, the face rug, and one more. I can't remember it. BuzzFeed India, which I mentioned earlier. We also have this kind of challenges, and because of them, like I watched their video and I'm trying this burger and it's really amazing and I suggest you to try it. It's best. It's really best. And now I'm going to have it all off the camera. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you didn't knew about gourmet McDonald's gourmet burger, tell me in the comment section below. If you knew, then also tell me in the comment section below. And if you have eaten it, tell me which burger have you tried and which one is your favorite. And thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I think you have to share it with your friends and you have to go together and have it. Not only friends but also your family members. You know, they will love this burger. Most of the families like don't love McDonald's and all like this burgers and kind of stuff, but this gourmet burger is really filling, and I don't know, it's healthy because it has even carrots in it. I think it's healthy if you if you use a wheat bun instead of this bun. I don't know, but I think it's healthy. It has chicken, two patties of chicken and all these vegetables in it. Maybe it is healthy, I don't know. You have to tell your parents to try it. They will change their opinion about burgers and stuff. They will start eating it too. So that's it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can watch my videos first. Thank you for watching. And even you have to. I suggest you this burger. It's really tasty and it's amazing. And McDonald's hasn't sponsored me yet, but I think they should, because खूप सारी तारीफ की है मैंने इनकी वीडियो में. This is spicy burger I've ate from Domino's till now. Shit. Did I just say Domino's? Wow. You are so good that I forgot from where I ordered you. Sorry, McDonald's. Pro.